Liners are a lot like a car tire. They can last 10 years without any issues or puncture within a week when in contact with sharp objects. If you discover a hole or tear in your pool liner, you can easily patch it using an underwater patch kit. First, cut a patch twice the size of the original hole or tear. Next, apply the underwater cement glue on one side of the patch. Gently fold the patch and submerge it underwater. As you approach the damaged area, carefully unfold the patch and place it over the hole or tear. Secure the patch in place by applying pressure for 2 to 3 minutes. For added security, repeat the process using a patch twice the size of the original. Proceed to apply the cement glue on one side. Fold, submerge, and place over the original patch. Apply pressure for 3 to 5 minutes to secure. Your liner is now patched. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.